Hi guys, I'm about to share with you how to get the refresh rate that your phone is doing actually shown on the screen itself. To do this, you'll need an Android phone. This phone happens to be a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So without further ado, let's get started. So you find your settings, which you'll find on the top right corner of the screen. So you click on your settings icon. Once you've clicked on your settings icon, go to the bottom of your settings and you'll see about phone. And once you've clicked on about phone, you'll need to see software information. So click on about phone and then click on software information. Now in software information, you've got something called build number. So click on build number about 7 times. I've already done it on this phone, so I don't actually need to enable developer mode, but you need to click on it 7 times in order to see developer mode on your settings screen at the bottom. Now that we've done that, back to the bottom of the settings screen and you've got your developer options, and then essentially scroll all the way down to where you would find your refresh rate, which is that one there. Just enable it, and then you've got your refresh rate shown on the top left corner of your screen.